Is it worth everything, or is it worth nothing to be an artist?
Hi everyone, this is Sandy Wissinger, visual artist and a member of the punk band The Coven. I am an artist for Art Mama Moves, proud to be associated with Crystal Jadon and all the artists at Art Mama Moves. We run a weekly show called 100 Mondays. We are on Monday number 58 today. We showcase our artists' art, we welcome new artists, and we also promote local acts and underground music from anywhere from our hometown here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, to Denton, Texas, and beyond. So today we are outside, chilling by my avocado tree to look at one of my latest paintings. This is the biggest painting that I have right now. It has a lot of shadows on it from the tree, but mostly you can see the composition, which is mainly what I wanted to talk about. So lately, Chris, my boyfriend and guitarist of the Coven, and I, because he's also an artist, we've been obsessed with art history and theosophy and those types of concepts, and I realize that my art is a lot like Hilma af Klint's, like those kind of ideas where it's more to communicate a celestial message, and it just comes from within. It doesn't really always have to have a subject, but my subjects always end up to be celestial beings or energies. So this is acrylic on a poster board. I am going to varnish it soon. I actually put pumpkin seeds on it.
Things mean things, colors mean things. So you as the artist, you as the human being, suddenly choose to be artist and create something. Is it shit just because you haven't been doing it for a long time? Does it become valuable the longer you do it? It's a funny line, I think, that artists toe. I'm not talking about musicians, and I'm not talking about actors. Those things are more commercially viable because they can be consumed faster. And you don't have to think, and it doesn't seem to not serve a purpose. People need movies, and they need plays even. They need music. Music is the most utilitarian of all the arts, I think. It can be seen more of as a commodity because you literally can't not have music. Businesses know that. The same goes for art, but I'm talking expensive paintings.
I like to squirt. You see some squirty paint. I used a little bit of cotton, and as you can see in the corner, there's a little red planet. That's Mars. And that is a sun or an asteroid. This is somewhere between a sun and a planet. And there's comets, and there are stars. And there's a little bit of like a DNA looking ribbon. This composition was meant to represent the Big Bang and explosion of creative energy, of new energy, old energy turning into new energy, and was meant to show my endlessness, my eternity, my lasting legacy, the fact that I am in one painting.
Is art not the original act? Is art not what created the universe? An idea and just putting it down directly from the mind. not with words, not with any sounds. The most immediate form of communication being sound, but formulating an image. Everything is images. Words are images. We have to find ways to make images happen with our speech, and that's where language comes from. But images are everything.